Hi faves, welcome back to my space. So today's video I'm just going to share with you guys quickly how to make this simple hair tea made out of 3 ingredients: moringa leaf or moringa powder, rosemary and hibiscus. Sorry, 4 ingredients. I always forget clove. And you have your hot water. So first of all, I boiled my hot water and I put it in a flask just to keep the water very hot for the sake of this video, and I just set it aside. And I have my cup here that is properly washed and sterilized so that it will not have any bacteria interfering with the ingredients. So right here I have a spoon of clove, which I'm going to be using for this hair tea as well. So I have my moringa powder. You could get the moringa leaf and blend it up yourself. So I'm going to set that aside, and I have my hibiscus flower. We usually know this to be called zobo leaf. So I just picked out a few because I do not want it to be very concentrated, because I want to use it for a leave-in and not like a hair rinse. So if you want to rinse off after your wash day, you can make yours very concentrated. Okay, so I have my rosemary, dried rosemary. If you have the fresh one, that works as well, but if you can get the dry one, that works also. So right here I have my handkerchief, clean, and I just put it on a bowl that I'll use to sieve out my infused ingredients after mixing it. So this step is really simple. It doesn't take time. It just takes like less than 5 minutes to mix. So I added in my glove into the cup, and I'll be adding my hibiscus flower, and I'm going to be adding my moringa leaf next. So really there's no step to this. You can just put it as you like. So you're just going to I put in here 2 spoons of moringa powder because of the size of cup that I'm using. Then I picked out my rosemary, and I just used a full teaspoon of rosemary, and I'm just going to put it into the cup as well. This is going to help. So this rosemary you can skip if you want, but I actually chose to put it in because I wanted like the effects of this hair tea to be really strong. So but if you do not have rosemary, you can just use clove, moringa and hibiscus flower. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my hot water that I boiled. Please let your water boil up to 100 degrees, so it could help infuse this, because we're not going to be putting it on the fire to cook. All right guys, so when you do this, it's going to really help. So I'm just gonna pour my hot water into the cup and allow it to infuse together. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to stir this properly so all the ingredients can mix and infuse together well, and I'm going to cover it and set it aside, so that, and now you can leave this for 20 to 30 minutes so it could infuse well. So after 20 to 30 minutes, this is actually what it looks like. So I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see what it looks like inside. See here, the rosemary leaf is floating, the moringa has gone down, the zobo leaf the zobo mixture is just on its own. So I'm just going to mix everything together properly again. So I'm going to be sieving this out now into the white handkerchief that I had. Yeah, so I'm going to pour everything out so everything can like get into the handkerchief, and I'm going to just squeeze this through and make sure no particle gets into the actual liquid that I need. So guys, in the description box I'm just going to leave the benefits of rosemary, cloves, moringa powder and hibiscus powder, hibiscus leaf, so you guys can read and understand the benefits of these ingredients to the hair. Okay, so now this is me just squeezing out everything and making sure I get out all the juice from it. So this is a chaff which I'm not going to be needing any longer. I'm just going to set that aside. And guys, this hair tea can be used for only 5 days. After 5 days, please, you have to make it again because it's not going to be as potent as it is for the first 5 days. And the method of preservation is keeping it in your refrigerator, okay? And this product can be used, or this hair tea can be used 2 to 3 times in a week. All right, so and it's advisable to do a patch test before introducing any new products into your routine, whether hair or skin or whatever. Okay, so I'm just pouring this out into my plastic bowl. And if you have a a spray bottle, it's gonna work just fine. And if you do not have, guys, you can get yourself a plastic that has an opening at the top. It's going to help you dispense this liquid evenly around your hair. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.